This machine adopts a 1600 double head. Continuous lines, full color and clear printing. Printing speed is 2.5 square meters per hour. Large capacity continuous ink supply bottle. White ink cartridge had been built in continuous stirring. Full mute guide rail. Printing is more stable and quiet. Adjustable heating printing platform. Multifunctional control panel. 3 heating elements inside for drying product quickly. Powder box, roller brush for helping powder evenly. Power shaking area, adjustable speed. Recycle the powder storage box. Exhausting exit, commonly run with external exhauster. Smart take-up system to ensure film can be taken up well. Operation demo. Insert PET film. Open the wheel on the flat. Turn on machine. Press up to feed in PET film. Turn on exhaust switch. Fix PET film with iron piece. Setting platform temperature. Computer typesetting printing. Print design out, print speed, 6 pass. PET film into the in-feed of DTF. Feed in dryer. Fix PET film with tape first before roll it up. Turn on machine. Open oven heating. Set drying temperature. Pour into powder. Set powdering speed. Set powder shaking speed. Transport the printed PET film. Cut the PET film. Place T-shirt. Put PET film. Start to do heat press. Remove the PE film. Process is done.